Major suicide strike terror plot in Lucknow busted. UP ATS arrested 2 terrorists with suspected links to the Al-Qaeda from Lucknow after hours of raids. The arrested terrorists had planned serial blasts and suicide attacks ahead of Independence Day. The arrested terrorists are said to have links to Kashmir. Large amounts of explosives were seized along with pressure cooker bombs and firearms. Recoveries from the raids were taken by the ATS team in black suitcases. ATS is currently conducting raids at 3 houses. In fact, the accused have been identified as Minhaj Ahmed and Masiruddin. Omar Al-Mandi is said to be handling these terrorists from Pakistan-Afghanistan border. Cops allege that terrorists burnt something just before their arrest. UP ATS is in touch currently with Jammu and Kashmir police as well. Cops suspect that more terrorists are still in hiding within the city.
इस मॉड्यूल के जो प्रमुख सदस्य हैं उनका नाम है मिनहाज, मसीरुद्दीन व शकील। इनके नाम प्रकाश में आए हैं। इन लोगों ने उमर हलमंडी के निर्देश पर तथा अपने अन्य साथियों के सहायता से 15 अगस्त के पूर्व उत्तर प्रदेश के विभिन्न शहरों में, विशेषकर लखनऊ के महत्वपूर्ण स्थानों, स्मारकों, भीड़ भाड़ वाले इलाकों में विस्फोट करने, मानव बम आदि द्वारा आतंकी घटना कारित करने की तैयारी में थे। इसके लिए इनके द्वारा शस्त्र एवं विस्फोटक आदि भी एकत्रित किया गया था। उमर हलमंडी ने कुछ जिहादी प्रवृत्ति के व्यक्तियों को लखनऊ में चिन्हित कर एवं उन्हें नियुक्त कर अल-कायदा के मॉड्यूल को खड़ा किया गया है। यह मॉड्यूल अंसार गजवातुल हिंद, जो कि अल-कायदा का ही एक अंग है, के अंतर्गत आतंकी घटनाओं को अंजाम देने के लिए तैयार किया गया है।
The 2 suspected Al-Qaeda persons will be taken from this spot. The first vehicle you are seeing, this is full of recoveries which came in the raids. That includes explosives. They are kept inside this car in the black bags, and right behind it is the car in which the suspects of Al-Qaeda are being sat here inside this particular car. They are sitting inside this the second car that is coming in. As you can see the visuals on India Today, the first car is moving with those black bags, and now this is the major car with 2 suspects linked with Al-Qaeda as we see. So now they will be taken to some other spot from here, and that will be added to the further investigation in the entire matter. As you are seeing the visuals out here, the cars are moving to some other location, and this is what we are getting from the spot. Samar Srivastava reporting for India Today from Lucknow.
We have some big news coming in. A team of Delhi's police special cell will be going to Lucknow to interrogate with the arrested terrorists. Delhi police special team expected to arrive to Lucknow by Tuesday. Here's big information coming in that the Delhi police special cell team will be stepping in, will be landing in Lucknow before Tuesday to interrogate with the arrested terrorists. We believe the ADG of Uttar Pradesh said that these terrorists were planning for a series of attacks and suicide blasts. In fact, the Delhi police special team now to investigate this matter further. They will be arriving into Lucknow by Tuesday to interrogate with the arrested terrorists. Now, multiple raids by the National